that's coming from my heart and not my head. I love you, I honestly love you. I'm not trying to make you feel uncomfortable. I'm not trying to make you anything at all. But this feeling doesn't come along every day, and you shouldn't blow the chance when you got the chance to say I love you. I love you. I honestly love you. If we both were born in another place and time, this moment might be ending with a kiss. But there you are with yours, and here I am with mine. So I guess we'll just be leaving it at this. I love you, I honestly love you. I honestly love you. Yeah.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Thank you.